Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I gonna show different paper decoration ideas, and it is very beautiful, amazing and stylish paper decoration ideas. You can see you can make easily at home for different paper decoration ideas. You can make different wall decoration, different paintings, different stone painting, and etc. You can make easily different beautiful paper art decoration ideas. You can make paper art for family, for kids, for animals, for family, couples, and etc. So please do not forget my YouTube channel, and you can like my video. So please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon viewers, and share your friends and family members. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.